In this video, I'm going to go over how I create my thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And this is strictly for beginners because this is not my expertise. I'm more into mathematics. I have done videos on technology, lawn care, lawn tools, and irrigation and so forth. But this is for beginners. I've used snapshots with regular camera to use as thumbnails. Depending on my video, if I'm doing a presentation, I might take a screenshot. So I'm hitting the Windows icon and print screen. If I go to my screenshot folder here, here's a snapshot of the desktop. Let's check the size on this. I go up here to File Information. And this is a size 1920 by 1080. Now I have uploaded some thumbnails that size, but what you can't do is you can't go over 2 megabits. So this one would not be acceptable. You wouldn't be able to upload it to YouTube. But you can always resize it here. You click on the 3 dots again here, and you can go to resize. You can define your custom dimension here and save it. Here it's 1920 to 1080. You can go with the 1280, 720, which is recommended by YouTube. So you could do that, and I've done that in the past. I also have this little tool from Windows, and I'm using Windows 10 here. Take a snapshot, pretty much the same thing as a screenshot. Save to desktop here, and it puts it on my capture folder. Click on that. Check the size on this. File information. And notice again it's 2.2 megabits, so you have to make an adjustment here. The dimensions are 1920 by 1080. Pretty much the same as the regular screenshot. Let's close this. Now I do a lot of math videos, so most of the time I have my content on an MS Word file. So if I wanted to take a screenshot of this, save it to the desktop, and that's this one right here. So if I check the size on this one up here, so this is 1920 by 1080. The size is 166.6 kilobits. This one would be acceptable, even though it's larger than the 1280 by 720. And I've uploaded some like this. Well, what I've been doing lately is I've been using Camtasia 9 2021. So this is the latest project, and I'll go ahead and set up a thumbnail using Camtasia with this. Okay, so suppose I wanted to use this screen right here as my thumbnail for this particular video. It's on mathematics. I do that a lot to emphasize what the video is going to be about. And what I like to do first before I export it, make it stand out a little bit more. And then I'll click over here on the top left here, export, click on that, and then export frame as. I click on that, and then it gives me a long title, and this is going to go to my thumbnail folder. So YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to change this title to log and exponential. Save. And I want to replace it, yes. So let me go to that folder And it's just one right here. Let's check the size on this. So 1920 by 1080, and it is under the 2 megabits. So I could upload this if I wanted to use this and see how it looks, and if I didn't like it, just come back and edit the thing. It said I could go to resize. But I found it fairly easy to use Canva. So let me go to, so it's Canva, Canva.com. Hit enter. So we click on create a design, and we want to go to a YouTube thumbnail, and you can see the dimensions are to the right. It's going to give it to you at 1280 by 720 pixels, which is what YouTube recommends. So click on that. And then I go up to uploads on the left. And those are some of the ones that I've uploaded and used in some of the videos that I've published. So I click on upload media there. And go to YouTube thumbnails here. And click on log and exponential, the one I'm going to upload. So this rectangle here is a correct size, 1280 by 720. So let's put this in here, drag it, and then on position here, just go ahead and center it. And then I can just drag it to fill this rectangle. And you can see the size increasing as I drag it. And this one. So there it's 1280 by 720. And then you can title it right here. So I went with log and exponential again. And then you can add to this if you want text. I'll select this one here, add a heading, just put it here. And then I'm going to type. Step by step. And then increase the size on this a little bit. And then you can change the font color and size here. And make the font larger here by clicking the plus sign up here on the left. And you can add some other stuff, but that's pretty much what I do. And then I just click on download. And it's going to save this for you. So save download settings, click download. And that should go to the download folder. There it is at the bottom. So what I do is I just copy it. And then I go to the thumbnail folder. Paste it. It already exists. I have one by that name, but I'm going to replace it. It's the one that I got from Camtasia. but I want the new version of it. So there it is, the one I just downloaded. You can see the dimensions there are 720 by, or 1280 by 720, which is what YouTube recommends. And the size is under 2 megabits. It's 114 kilobits. So if we open it up, and again, double check the file information, the size and stuff. There it is, 1280 by 720, 114.8 kilobits. Then when I publish this particular video, I just upload it to YouTube and use it for my thumbnail. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.